Ever wondered how to make your YouTube channel flourish? Your curiosity ends here as we delve into the comprehensive guide on how to grow your YouTube channel step by step. First and foremost, the content is king. High-quality content is the cornerstone of any successful YouTube channel. Be original, be creative, and most importantly, be consistent. Regularly uploading videos keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Next, optimize your videos for search. This involves using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. Remember, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, so make it easy for people to find your videos. Third, promote your channel. Use social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers, or even consider paid promotion. The more people who know about your channel, the greater your chances of attracting subscribers. Fourth, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your channel. The more involved your audience feels, the more likely they are to subscribe and recommend your channel to others. Lastly, take advantage of YouTube's features. Use end screens and cards to promote your other videos, playlists, or your channel itself. Remember, YouTube wants to keep viewers on its platform, so it rewards channels that help it do that. Now, let's summarize the key points we've discussed. 1. Create high-quality, consistent content. 2. Optimize your videos for search. 3. Promote your channel. 4. Engage with your audience. And 5. Take advantage of YouTube's features. Remember, growing a YouTube channel takes time and patience. But with these strategies in hand, you're well on your way to YouTube's success. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing.